Okay, so which channels are involved in this demo? There'll be two channels. Channel number one is called queuing messages, channel 1. Channel number 2 is called messages, queuing messages, channel number 2. And what happens is, basically you're going to start with channel number 1, and if channel number 2 is stopped, paused, or not even deployed, then channel number 1 will throw an error and queue up the messages. Mirth will attempt to run JavaScript code every 5 seconds or so until the channel number 2 is back up. So Mirth will keep trying. So let's go ahead and look at the code so you can see. Let's look at channel number 1, which is a channel that we start with. So you can see here, nothing going on, no filters, no transformers, no nothing. Basically, this connector type is a channel reader because we're not doing anything in the source destination. This is where stuff happens. So what we're going to do is we're going to send a message through here. What kind of message? Well, usually you can tell by looking over here. What kind of message we'll accept. An inbound message template is HL72.x. So we have to send an HL72.x through this channel. And it's going to end up coming to this channel 2 destination. And this channel 2 destination, we have a JavaScript writer. And this is just basically a JavaScript writer is just a connector so you can custom write your code. And what this connector does is first it grabs a message, HL7. I define the actual channel name right here called out channel, and then it runs through this code. What it basically does is takes the channel, takes a message, runs a router.route message command, and what that is, it's going to actually take this message and send it to this out channel, which is called queue messages channel 2. That's our channel 2. This is where everything happens right here. So we're just saying, hey, take this message that's coming through. Now I have this message, and how do I do with it? Well, now I have to send it to JavaScript writer. What does the JavaScript writer do? It's routing the message to this channel number 2. That's line 12 here. But let's say in this example, let's say there is, what happens? What if channel number 2 is stopped, down, out of commission? It's not around. What happens then? So the code says if there's an error from the channel, in other words, this response here, once you run this line of code, we get a response. So this if statement here checks the response. It says, okay, now if the response.getError is null, cool, no error, jump out, keep running, return a response of sent, success, right? However, let's say if response.getError is not null. Well then, if it's not null, well, log an error and return a response of queued. This is the line that's important here. This is how we queue up a message.